Today we talk about how can you set notification shoulder on your Slack app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, so just click here on notifications. When you just click here on notifications, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, just click here on notification shoulder here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list, and here can you set if you want to add here start time and end time here, and here can you allow notifications for every day or weekends or custom. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.